Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're going to dissect a plant. What does that mean? Well, it means we're going to take a plant apart and really look at all of the different parts it has. Let's take a look at what we need to do this experiment. The first thing you need is a plant. A flower works best because you can really see a lot of the plant parts. But if you can't find one, you can use a piece of grass, you can use a leaf from a tree, or just about anything else. You also need your eyes and your hands. And if you have a magnifier, which you will have in your packets, use that to really take a close look at the different plant parts. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is find a plant. Make sure you have permission from your family to get a plant. Go outside if you can. If you need to have your mom or dad or grandma or whoever takes care of you go with you, have them go with you. But make sure you have permission to get a plant. Then, once you have a plant, you're going to take a look at it. Now, I found a really cool plant growing. Notice that? And I wanted to pull it up so I could see all the parts. So I kind of pulled it out of the ground. You're going to want to do that too, because if you just take the top off, you won't be able to see all the parts. Then take a piece of white paper and start taking your plant apart. Like right now, I'm pulling one part of my plant off. What is that part? Those are leaves, right? And connected to the leaf is the stem. So I have leaves and stem there. And if I pull off this part of my plant, what's that? That's a flower. And I can even see where the pollen is inside of my flower. I can pull off the plant, the flower petals, so that they're separate and by themselves. Look at that. There's just a little tiny flower petal, and I'm going to set it on my paper so I can really see closely. I can also see the stem with the plant. If I look at the bottom of the plant where I pulled it out of the ground, I can see the roots. How cool is that? And I can see how the roots grew long. That's amazing. So take your time with this activity. Take the plant all apart. Ooh, what that is. I don't know. It looks like a little pod. I'm going to open it up. Oh my goodness. Inside are the seeds. Do you see the seeds? Oh, this is so amazing. So right now, I'm just taking apart my plant and looking. That's your job too. As you do that, I want you to really have fun with this and look for all of the plant parts. Can you see all of the plant parts? Do you see the roots? A leaf, the stem, the flower, and the seeds? I hope so. If not, ask your grown-up if you can go out and find another plant. I hope you have a lot of fun with this activity. When you're all done, draw a picture of the different plant parts that you found. It might look something like that, right? All of the plant parts are in different places. I hope you have fun, and I hope to see you again very soon.